Oh, of course, Mr. Adjuster, because we all know that over a 6-year period, roofing material costs go down 12%. Hi everybody, this is Tracy Bookman, owner of Homestead Roofing, and welcome to another one of our Walk in the Park videos. And I explained on one of our previous videos that we're going to use our walks in the park to actually do a series on real world examples of how insurance companies right now are avoiding paying legitimate costs on claims. The reason that we're doing this is because I'm taking a little bit of grief lately on one of our videos about 5 ways insurance companies avoid paying for your re-roof claim. And people are leaving comments about the fact that roofers are just gouging insurance companies, that we're lying about how all this works. And so let's look at some real world examples. So we've got one today where it was a roof that we did 6 years ago and needed to re-roof it again because it got hit by hail, and the house was actually for sale. And so they had to re-roof the house in order for the sale to go through correctly. So even 6 years ago, we had to fight with the insurance company to demonstrate to them how much it was going to cost to actually re-roof the house at that time. Well, they ended up actually accepting our costs for the project and increased the claim amount. So I say we had to fight with them. Yeah, it was a little bit of a fight, but it was minimal. I'll put it that way. Well, so fast forward 6 years, the adjuster comes out. Actually, no, they didn't send an adjuster. They just sent a ladder assist company to come out and take photos. So an adjuster never actually came to the property. Homeowners, let me tell you, that's a problem. Your insurance company isn't going to send an adjuster out. That's a problem. So on this current claim, when the homeowner got the claim document, the costs in the claim to re-roof the same house with the same product that we had put on it 6 years earlier was 12% lower than it was from the claim 6 years ago. Now let me ask any insurance adjuster, any construction professional, any insurance agent, any YouTube trolls out there who say that roofing contractors are just out to gouge insurance companies, in what real world example do the costs of building materials go down 12% over a 6-year period? Does that make any sense? Doesn't make any sense to me. So guess what? Now we've got another fight on our hands. Now we've got to go round and round with the insurance company. This time though, they really dug in their heels. They were unrelenting. They were not about to give in on this one. They were fighting and fighting and fighting. Now this caused a lot of stress to the homeowner because his house is for sale and he doesn't want anything to screw up the closing. Well, and that's obviously understandable, isn't it? And so round and round and round we go. We sent in all the documentation that was necessary to prove that we were putting the same material back on that was coming off. We still had all of our invoices, and they kept denying and denying and denying it. This insurance company, by the way, is one of the worst. So how did we actually end up resolving the situation? We had to pay our attorney to send a demand of payment letter to the insurance company. Well, guess what? Literally within an hour of them receiving the email that had the demand of payment letter in it, they called us and they're like, well, we've decided that we're going to go ahead and settle this for your invoiced amount. Well, lo and behold, you mean the roofing contractor isn't just trying to gouge the insurance company? You mean the insurance company actually agreed that our costs were reasonable, justifiable, fair? Why did it take a letter from an attorney to get them to see the light? Well, we had a comment on the other YouTube video that we have about this from somebody who said that it's not true that insurance companies do these kinds of things. This is exactly what insurance companies do. And across the board, in over and over and over again, we have to deal with this. So I'm going to make, again, just like I did in the last video, a plea for you as the homeowner. Support your contractor in this. If you know that your contractor is not trying to rip off your insurance company, support your contractor. You've got to get into the fight sometimes. Sometimes you've got to be the one that calls the insurance company and says, you need to pay the cost that my roofer is invoicing you. Because like I said in the last video, you're the homeowner, you're the insured, you're the one that has all the leverage in this. Your contractor has no leverage. And why put your contractor in a position where he has to pay an attorney to send letters to your insurance company demanding that they pay fair and reasonable and justifiable expenses to re-roof your house? Now, if you've got any questions about this, please give us a call at our office phone number right up here, 719-433-6991. You can also visit our website. That's right down here, homesteadroofingcolorado.com. We've got a bunch of other videos out there, lots of articles on our blog. If this video has been helpful, please consider sharing it. Send it to somebody that you think may need this information. Give us a big thumbs up on this video if you like it. Also, subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon up there so that way you get notified when we've got new videos. And until our next Walk in the Park video, I'm Tracy Bookman, owner of Homestead Roofing.